Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. On this video, I'll be walking you through on binomial expansion, application part of it. Before I go deeper on this, this video, I've explained binomial expansion, which is Pascal triangle, and using selection method, which is I've told you that this is how to use Pascal triangle. Now, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Now, application of this particular, this is a Pascal triangle, which I've explained that, that is how we always use it. Now, at this point, this is x plus y raised to power is 0. We are working along with their coefficient. This also x plus y powering 1, x plus y powering 2, x plus y powering 3, x plus y powering 4, x plus y powering 5. Now, note this number you are looking at here, they are called possible coefficient of each stand. For instance, at this point, both of them will be 0, x and y. Now, this particular one, this part, it will be what? It will be descending, while this one will be ascending. Let's say, now, at this junction, we're having x raised to power 2, y raised to power 0, and x raised to power 1, y raised to power 1, x raised to power 0, y raised to power 2. Now, can you see that this one is what? Descending. The first power is descending, and the second one is what? Ascending. The same thing here can be what? X, y raised to power 1, y raised to power 0, and x raised to power 0, and that is what we are talking about. Note that anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Please note that. Here also x raised to power 3, y raised to power 0, x raised to power 2, y raised to power 1, x raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, and x raised to power 0, y raised to power 3. Now, that is how, that is how to apply Pascal triangle to expand, to expand any given function like this. Now, I've told you about what is called selection method, which is, there are video on that, which is, it will really help you to watch it. Let me quickly emphasize on it. If I have x plus y powering to 3, what I will just need to do is that I will be having 3 combined is 0, and x raised to power 3, y raised to power 0, plus 3 combined 1, x raised to power 2, y raised to power 1, plus 3 combined 2, x raised to power 1, y raised to power 2, plus 3 combined 3 combined 3. That will be x raised to power 1, power 0, y raised to power 3. Now, this is a selection pattern, with help of your combination, combination, you'll be able to do more about this. There are videos on this thing already, you can do it. This is how to apply Pascal triangle. This is how to apply selection, Now, I have some problems, which is being posted by two of my students. Please, let us solve the question together. That's what I'm here for today. I'm here to solve problems, But if you need knowledge of, you need to know about Pascal triangle and selection method, you can check on our previous video. And when your power is less than, for instance, x power raised to power, minus 2, all those things, there are video. I think video 3 of this of this series explain that. Now, I have this particular part which I need to work on. Permit me to to work on this question now. Now, please, given that the coefficient of what? Of x and x raised to power 2 and x raised to power 3 in the expansion of, this is the expansion of this, are a and b respectively. Evaluate a all over what? B. Now, this is a very simple question, and you have to approach it in a simple way, but it will be very hard if you don't know what is called Pascal triangle, or you don't know how to expand through selection. With the video, the first video on this channel, on this series of binomial expansion, you'll get along with that. Now, how do I solve this problem? Solution to this problem is a very simple one. Just note that the first thing is I have this particular problem, 3 plus x powering what? 20. Now, it will be very wrong of you if you run through Pascal triangle, because for you to get a Pascal of 20, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. Now, what you just need to do, let's go towards what I was explaining that time. I want to explain this. I was telling you x plus y powering what? N. It will be n combined what? 0, x raised to power n, y raised to power 0, plus n combined 1, x raised to power n minus 1, y raised to power what? 1, and so on and so forth. Please, I don't need to stress myself on that, which I will explain that. Now, I want to approach this question in this form. Now, it means 3 plus x raised to power 20. Now, don't mind you, I'm working on x raised to power 2 and x raised to power 3. Now, which it will be equals to, I will be talking about 20 select what? Is 0. I'll be having 3 raised to power 20 and x raised to power 0 plus 20 select 1, 3 raised to power 19 and x raised to power 1 and plus 20 select 2, 3 raised to power 18 and x raised to power 2. Now, and plus 20 select 3, 3 raised to power 17 and x raised to power what? Power 3. Now, mind you, we are talking about, it means is what I need. This is what I need. I don't need to run through. It will be 20 select what? 20 select 20 and it will be 3 raised to power 0 and x raised to power 20, which is, that is, I'm running towards that. I don't need to run towards that because what I need is this and this coefficient of them. Now, with the next thing I need to work on, I will bring out this, which is this 2 and this 2. Now, it means I will be saying that what? My A, respectively, A and B, my A will be equals to 20 combined what? 2, 3 raised to power 18 and x raised to power 2. And my B himself will be equals to what? 20 combined 3, 3 raised to power 17, and 17 rather, and x raised to power 3. Now, these are the two things that I need from here. Now, the next thing I will now do is that, I will be having 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. And I'll be having 18, 3 raised to power 18 and x raised squared. Mind you, this is factorial. I've told you about when I have n of r and n factorial divided by n minus r factorial and r factorial. That was give of that. Now, this is combination. Now, for me to have this, I'll be having 2 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 18 factorial multiplied by 3 raised to power 18 x raised to power 2 divides 18 factorial multiplied by 2, 1, which is going to be this. We cancel this, and here 1, here 10, which my B will be equals to 10 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3 raised to power 8. And don't forget that we are talking about ax squared and ax squared, which this we cancel this. That is what you just need. It means my A is equals to that. Now, what is my B? My B will be equals to 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. And I will be having 3 raised to power 17, x raised to power 3. Don't forget x raised to power 3 here. This will cancel this, which is allowed. Now, my b will be equals to, I have 20 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 17 factorial divides 17 factorial multiplied by 3, 2, and 1. This will cancel this, and 3 raised to power 17. Now, this will cancel this. That is the case. Now, left with that, it means my b will be equals to, although this year 1, here will be what? 3. That will be, yes, that will be 16. Now, since I have that, I'll be having 2 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 17. Now, okay, what else do I need to do? Mind you, I'm asked to evaluate. Now, I'm asked to evaluate. It means A divided by B will directly equals to what? 10 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3 raised to power 18 divides, and what is my B? B will be 2 NT multiplied by 19 multiplied by 3 raised to power. If I want to do it, this is 18. This will cancel this, which is indices. This will cancel this. Here 1, here, which is going to be A divided by B will be equals to 1 over 2. That is my answer. It means my A divided by B is 1 over 2. I would love to solve more questions on this part. Okay, let me solve one more question. Okay, sorry, I think you can be able to see it now. Somebody was saying about the camera, please. This is A and this is B. After doing that, and I do the answer is 1 over 2. Okay, permit me to rub it off. Just, you can pause and write if you want to, please. Okay, this is another question. Let's try to work around it. Okay, I would love to do another video. So I still have like 2 questions more, so that it will be very comprehensive enough on this channel. Now, I have this particular part which is I want to work on. Oh, I don't need to use red marker. This is an illustrator. Now, I just have this question. It's a very simple one, but the only thing I want you to know is that if I have 1 minus 2x powering 12, since the power is not negative, I think we have checked the video before this to really explain that. Now, this could be written as 1 plus minus x bracket and close the bracket like this is allowed, because you have to learn how to handle this minus. If not, it may cause problem. And okay, I want to explain something now. Now, I won't run towards Pascal triangle, because Pascal triangle will take my time. I will go along with what? Because I've told you that when I have n plus raised to power, then because p and power n, this could be written as what? N combined 0, 1 raised to power p, and p raised to power what? Is 0, plus n combined 1, 1 raised to power n minus 1, and p raised to power what? 1. Do you get it right? Plus n combined 2, that will be what? 1 raised to power n minus 2, and p raised to power what? 2, and so on and so forth. Till what? Till when n combine n, it will be what? 1 raised to power 0 and p raised to power n in. But it's different. Once there is minus here, the story changes. I don't think I will be explaining that now because of our time. Now, I have this particular problem. I want to work on this problem. Now, what should I do is that I will come by saying 1 plus 2x bracket of 12. Now, at this junction, I'm working towards find the term of x raised to power 4. That is, you are looking for where the x is powering 4. That is where you are working towards. Now, at this junction, I'll be having n combined 0, and I'll be having 1 raised to power 12 minus 2x powering 0. Please take note of that. Can you see that minus 2x become an entity, and plus, I'll be having n combined 1. This is going to be 11, and 2x powering what? 1 plus n combined 2, 1 raised to power 10, and minus 2x powering what? 2 plus n combined. Oh, we are not talking about n. I'm so sorry. This is going to be 12. This is going to be 12. Sorry. This is going to be 12. Don't mind me. I was working towards that n here. Now, this is going to be 12 combined what? 12 combined 3 and 1 raised to power 9 and minus 2x powering what? Powering 3 plus 12 combined 4 raised to power 8 and minus 2x powering what? 4 plus, and so on and so, when 12 will be combined 12, and it means 1 will be powering 0 and minus 2x will be powering what? 12. Please, I won't be able to run towards that side, please. Now, this is what I need for this particular problem. This is what I need, because they said find the term containing what? This. Now, at this junction, what I just need to do is that I can bring out, permit me to cut this board. Now, I can bring out when my hex is going to be 12 combine what? 4. 1 raised to power, any number is going to be 1, which is going to be what? Minus 2x powering 4. Now, let me tell you a secret. A secret is when your power of negative is powering even number, that number will result to what? Positive value. When it's odd, it will be what? Negative. Please take note of all those things. It means the term we are talking about is this term. Now, it means I will be 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. And this will be what? Minus 2x raised to power what? Power 4. Now, at this junction, I'll be having 12 factorial divided by 8 factorial and 4 factorial. And here will be 16x raised to power 4. 16x raised to power what? Power 4. Now, the next thing I will need to work on, I will be having 12 multiplied by 11, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 8 factorial, multiplied by 16x raised to power 4. Everything divides 8 factorial, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 3, 2, and 1. This will definitely cancel this. Mind you, I think this will cancel this, and mind you, year 1, year 5. Now, I can easily say that what? 11 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 9, multiplied by 16, x raised to power 4. Now, by so doing this, it means the term of the number we are working on, it will be 792x raised to power 4. Now, at this point, look at this because of objective. The question is asking for finding the term containing what? X is not coefficient, rather a value of constant. This is how you're going to present your answer. Okay, I think I've done well. Next video, I'll work on the other 2 questions that is being sent from, I think it's Ethiopia, somewhere like that. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.